All right.
Ready.
Ready when you are.
Yep. Ready.
Okay, kids, how's it going here? Woo-dee-oo! We're doing a little run through Khan's lab here today. We're actually doing a deep clean on Stephanie's ST501, and at the same time, we decided that we're going to do a little bit of water testing because she's got a friend who gets this water here. This is just a bottle of some water that she pays like $80 a month to go buy this water from some water store. I don't know what water store. I don't even care because it doesn't even matter, because all these water stores, the water that they're all selling is all exactly the same as this. But we're doing this for that young lady so we can give her an idea of the water that she's drinking. And what I want to first do is we're going to start right here with this acidic water. This is 2.5 pH water that comes out of the Kangen water machine that we just got out of the machine. Can you see those numbers, Stephanie?
Yep.
If you need to, come in a little closer so you can see them. But that says positive 1130. What that means is that is extremely oxidizing to your body. What you need to understand is this is millivolts. Okay, the voltage on this machine, this little measuring device, it's measuring oxidation reduction potential. Okay, if it's a positive number, that positive number means that it's oxidizing your body. It's kind of like when you cut open an apple and you put it out in the air. After a half an hour, you go back and look, and that apple is turning brown. That is oxidation. That is your body rusting. Okay, so this water right here, you don't want to drink this water because it's incredibly acidic. It's incredibly oxidizing on your body. Okay, and then we're going to come over here to what's called the 11.5 pH water, and this is extremely anti-oxidizing. Do you see the negative number there? Can you see that little negative number?
Yep.
Negative 900, negative 905. Okay, that right there, that's extremely anti-oxidizing. This is by far and away the most powerful antioxidant there is on planet Earth, right here in this jar. Now this water right here, this is what we use for cleaning fruits and vegetables, for cleaning oil off of things. It's an incredible oil emulsifier. You can clean your house with this. You can wash your laundry with this. You can also drink it without any problem. The water that you want to be drinking, this is the 9.5 water. This is the water that you drink. Look at that, negative 800 and something, right?
Yep.
Okay, so you've got negative 800. You've got negative 900, 900 plus. You've got positive 1100. Okay, now we're going over to this bottled water from the store. And it's dropping, but look, I promise you this, it's not going to go into the negatives. So it looks like it's negative. It's leveling out there at about a negative 500. To your friend, honey, please do not drink this water. This water is literally killing you. It's killing you from the inside out. I can promise you this. What they're doing is they're creating this water with a reverse osmosis system. And we just did a video, we just did a show today with Dr. Peggy Parker where she was talking about the health problems that she had while she was drinking and drinking reverse osmosis water out of a $10,000 water filtration system that she had in her home. And she was eating all natural, all green, all whatever, all organic, all that, and yet she still ended up with ridiculous health problems and an exploding gallbladder that almost killed her. And so, this is still dropping a little bit, but you're still looking at a positive 400 there. And then if you go back over here to the 9.5 water, which you can get in abundance, look at that, negative 800. This right here is literally 800,000 times more powerful as an antioxidant. This stuff over here is literally 600,000 times more oxidizing to your body to be putting this kind of stuff in your body. And you can look, it's sitting there climbing, and it's going to keep climbing. But this is the thing that you should understand about this water, and you do not want to be drinking it. This stuff is poison. These people who are selling it have no clue what they're doing. But I want to show you one other little test. Go ahead and keep your filming. We're gonna take some pH drops here just for the fun of it and put them into these different waters.
Green.
When you look at the differences in these colors, this green is just basically, because what this tells me right here is that this water store is adding back in some minerals to get that greenish color, because that's not quite neutral. That's still acidic. If you look at your pH chart, when you show this video to your friend, make sure to take the pH chart with you.
I will.
So that she can see the differences in these pHs. Here's the pH of Kangen water. Here's the pH of the stuff you're drinking. This stuff right here is acid. You're literally drinking acid, honey. Don't do it. It's no good. This right here, this is good. This is a pH that's going to bring up the pH of your body. You want your body to be at a pH level. And if you look at this, look at the color of that, the yellow color. Okay, and then look at the bright purple. This is the 11.5. This is the high alkaline. This is the high acid. And you saw from the testing that we did here with the ORP meter, one more time, you're looking at negative. And another thing you can see from this test is that this water is losing its electric charge. See, it started out at over 900 and now it's down to 800. And this water right here started out at over 900 and now it's down to under 900. This was up there in the real high 900s in the beginning. Now this stuff right here is going to continue to stay acidic and be very acidic. Look at that. It's not losing its acidity. It stays and keeps being acid. And this stuff here, see, it's still got its acid. So I hope this helps you understand what this water is that you're drinking. Understand that if you have good credit, you can get yourself a Kangen water machine for as little as $45 a month. You can have this very machine right here for $45 a month. Once that machine is paid off, then you're literally paying pennies a day for this water for the rest of your life. And also, you're going to be able to do things like clean off your oven, your house, Stephanie can tell you how she's been using it to clean her house for the last 2 years. And, you can also use it to wash your clothes. You'll never have to buy laundry detergent ever again. And so things like that. This water machine, once it's paid for itself, or once you've paid for it, it's literally water for free for the rest of your life. And instead of paying $80 a month for this, you can have this right here for virtually free for the rest of your life. So think about it. This is the reason why I always say to people, Kong doesn't cost. Kong pays! Woody-hoo! Get your Kong's water. Stephanie's got Kong's water. If you have any questions, if you'd like to talk more about it or anything, Stephanie knows how to get a hold of me. Be happy to answer your questions and help get you on the train, because this stuff rocks. This is life-changing. And so anyway, thanks for watching, and hope that helps. Have an awesome day. Make sure to go change the world, starting with your own. Woody-hoo!